Don't try to mess me up, guys. I'm going to kill you if you mess me up.
I sleep in my home now.
I sleep in my home now, son. So what's your point, guys?
Because you puke.
Actually, dude, you're doing great, man. Clean up your own mess.
It's not my mess. It's Tri's mess.
That's a word, guys.
What happened here, Tayo? 1 second, I was in CR.
Oh. Yeah, it's mine, but it's all yours.
Only babies throw up, man. Only babies throw up.
And a while ago, I see Shomai there.
Shomai, what's Shomai up there?
Okay, now clean up that fucking mess. That's good, man. You're doing great.
It's so gross. I'm cleaning up Tri's mess. What the
No,
fuck?
you're actually good at it. Keep it up, man.
The fuck, Tayo? You're so gross.
What the fuck? No, man, you deserve it.
No.
This is going to be on YouTube.
You deserve it, guy.
Not my own fuck.
But it's all your mess, guys. Oh.
My phone is destroyed.
Your voice is destroyed because of your mess, guy. Oh, man, I'm going to fix all of this.
That's right, man. Wash your own charger. Yeah. You're doing it right.
Ooh. Am I destroying something?
You okay there, man?
Oh, I'm good at this.
It smells, you know.
Yeah. It smells like you. Shit.
Guy.
Why did you do that, Tayo?
Would you mind if I
So
put
gross.
that some?
Did you do it, Tayo? So gross.
I hope I did that one, guy.
No, it's...
Oh,
my god.
it's all made out of this. You're the last one who came here and you did that? God, what a gross.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's not acceptable, you know.
oh. You made the shit happen. You
That's
made all
right,
the
clean your own
happen,
shit.
bro. Clean your own
You
shit,
piece of
guys.
shit.
Oh. You look like a shit dude about what? About that?
What? What did you say? My cell phone's messed up.
Clean your own shit.
Yeah, what I'm saying. That's what
It's not a shit. It's a puke, you know.
That's a shit of ass, dude. Shit's happening.
You're more than gross right now.
Huh?
Please
Well,
don't
charge
get
your
close to
phone.
us. Please.
Charge your phone like nothing's happened, guy.
He's not a guy, dude. He's a gay.
Oh.
He's gay.
Is he gay?
Yeah, you threw up.
Is he your cup? Yeah. He's kind of gay.
Oh, it's working. It's amazing.
We're playing these videos.
Do it again, man.
It's not working, guy.
Do it again. It will work.
I hope so.
Try it again. Go on.
It's still adding up, guy.
Try it on his elbow, man.
On his elbow?
Yeah.
Better try it out.
Hey, don't mess up with my fucking phone.